Right now, closing arguments are underway in former President Donald Trump's hush money trial. The judge says jurors are prepared to stay at the New York courthouse for a few more hours before closing arguments wrap up and the case is in their hands. Here's ABC's Rena Roy.
The prosecution and defense getting their final chance to try and sway the jury in their favor in the hush money payment trial against former President Donald Trump. In their closing argument, prosecutors attempting to convince all 12 jurors to convict Trump on 34 felony counts of falsifying business records when he ordered his former attorney Michael Cohen pay off adult film actress Stormy Daniels in exchange for her silence about their alleged sexual encounter. But defense attorney Todd Blanche telling the jury Trump is innocent, calling prosecutors' theory of the case absurd and the testimony from their witnesses irrelevant. Over the course of a month, the prosecution calling 20 witnesses to the stand, including Cohen and Daniels, arguing that Trump tried to hide damaging information from voters ahead of the 2016 election and then hiding that effort to influence the election by labeling Cohen's reimbursement as a legal expense.
They have another witness here being Stormy Daniels that they're arguing is trying to extort the former president. The credibility of both these witnesses amount to how big this story was and why they needed to suppress it, and also the mechanics of how they did that. So attacking these two witnesses, I think, are beneficial for the defense.
The defense calling Cohen the human embodiment of reasonable doubt, even calling him the gloat or the greatest liar of all time. They also tried to distance Trump from those invoices and vouchers at the heart of the case and insisted Trump was too busy to look at the checks he was signing. Blanche even going as far to say you cannot send someone to prison based upon the words of Michael Cohen. Prosecutors saying the defense focused on Cohen as a deflection, adding that Trump chose Cohen as his fixer, saying he got the jobs the defendant wanted to keep quiet. Trump denying that sexual encounter with Daniels and pleading not guilty.
This is a dark day in America. We have a rigged court case that should have never been brought.
And Trump had more support today in court from his family, including from his children, Eric, Donald Trump Jr., and his daughter, Tiffany. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.